goes Rob. Come on, Rob, smash it. Smash it! We think we found a gold mine down here, so it's just down there, and looks like it's been dug out before. And we're in the middle of nowhere, so we'll bring some shovels down next time, and we'll do an update, let you know how things are going. Here's Rob's gold mine that he's found, and it's got the two. You can see the sticks at the back. It's probably to put a rope on and get the crap out.
It's hollow.
And do your foot, Rob. Do your foot stomping. Can you hear that? That's hollow.
Hollow.
It's hollow down there. Anyway, so this is where we are. This is where we ride. Isn't it a beautiful place, eh? Absolutely. How would you know that was Sydney? Come on.